Stop. Okay, so today I've got my sister. We are going to unbox some LOL dolls, and so she is gonna help me. And so, okay, we're gonna start. Okay, now we're gonna open the LOL dolls. Should I open yours for you? Okay.
Sunny's teeth are getting looser. Did you know that? So your teeth are getting looser.
I know.
I saw it.
Okay. Activity. Well, oh, I think I found a clue. I think I found a wait, no, I didn't. That was not. Wait, yeah, this is a clue.
This is my clue. Sunny, this is
don't
my
rip
clue.
it. Okay, I on ball. I on roll. Okay, I unwrapped it for my sister, and oh, okay. Is this what is this?
Yeah.
Can I open it? Okay.
Yeah. It's not easy though. It's really easy.
Hey, this is a popcorn bag.
Wait, guys, look.
Uh-oh.
Wait, look. I better look.
Oh, look! She got a helmet. You want to open the girl? Wait. I don't want to see her. Right.
She's naked.
With no clothes.
She's with no clothes.
She's cute, though. Want to put her mask on?
She has a cute makeup. Daddy, she has cute makeup. Look.
Okay.
Cute makeup.
Shoes. Oh, dear. This is a big mess.
We're making a mess.
Oh, here's her bottle.
Ooh.
And what is this?
I don't know.
I bet you I know. Oh, that's not what I was expecting. But this is her battle suit. Kind of. Not.
That's a battle.
No, it's not. Yes, it is. Actually, I don't know.
I don't know. That's my color.
Let's not do that. Okay, so this is Countess. Her name is Countess, and here she is with all her stuff on, except her bottle. But she can't wear her bottle. But oh, this is her. Here she is, and this is her room. Okay. This is the newest member of our family. Dun, Countess.
Here's Miss Countess, and she has her clothes on, and her shoes on, and her cap on, and her helmet on. And she's so beautiful, and she has her whole room, and she has her husband, but it's not open yet.